ano ba yung makeup niya? Bakit buong araw na pinagpawisan, hindi pa rin natatanggal? Well, I have here two Asla makeup setting spray. Hindi ko alam kung bakit yung Asla meron silang dalawang setting spray. Ito, Rose makeup setting spray. Ito, makeup spray alone lang. 115 ml, 100 ml. Actually, I've been using this one for the long time. And here's the proof, diba? I got a lot of bottle for travel and for bahay. Nag-hoard order ako, kaya marami akong Asla na Rose makeup setting spray dito. Nag-vary din sila sa price kasi ito, under 50 pesos. Ito naman, nasa 100 pesos. And the effect is, mas better itong, siyempre, yung mas mahal. Naka-buy one take one to sa shop ko, kaya check out nyo na. And one thing that make me fall in love in this Rose makeup setting spray is that, kung isi-shake mo siya, makikita mo talaga yung rosas. And alam nyo guys, nung nagbabasketball kami or nag-yoga, napagsabihan ako na, ano ba yung makeup niya?